Okay, so I think we are live now. Hello, students, and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. That's a short series. Let me check if this is the right PowerPoint. Yeah, this is the right one. So, hello, students, and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh, and today again we are doing a live session on Indian Bank SO Credit Officer. That is the part 2 of short series. Very important question that I'm sharing today. I have already done like part 1 of this series. You can just watch my previous session. I'm doing a lot of amazing sessions on Indian Bank. So please watch the previous sessions. Okay. So let me just check if everything is working properly on YouTube. Okay. So 10 students are already live with us. Hello guys. How are you? So everything is working properly. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Okay. So I think now it's time to start the session. Chalo, let's start. So Indian Bank SO Credit Officer. So according to the Union Budget 2021, what is the agricultural credit target for the year 2021? Students, if you have already seen my Union Budget 2020-2021 video, I have made a complete list, right, of all that, allocations, the allocation for various, for infrastructure, education. I have mentioned it properly, and that is very, very important. 15 lakh crore is the correct answer anyway. 15 lakh crore is the correct answer. It is not, answer is not one. It is 15 lakh crore is the correct answer anyway. And it's very, very important. So what is the allocation in the union budget for that agriculture credit? It is a 15 lakh crore. Please remember that. So in your account, saving bank account, some of the money is insured. That limit used to be 1 lakh. So 1 lakh रुपए तक आपका bank saving bank account insured था. The limit was 1 lakh rupee. That limit has been increased to what? Very easy question from Union Budget 2020. If you know the correct answer, let me know the correct answer in that in that super chat. If you know the correct answer, this limit used to be 1 lakh. What is the new limit? सर साइट पे बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को रेलिवेंट सी स्टूडेंट्स please go through my course, go through the Indian Bank SO Credit Officer course. That's totally relevant for the exam. Chalo, government has permitted the DICGC to increase the deposit insurance coverage to 5 lakh rupee. That limit used to be 1 lakh, but now that limit has been increased to 5 lakh rupee. That limit has been increased to 5 lakh rupee. This used to be 1 lakh, but now that has been increased to 5 lakh rupee. So 5 lakh rupee is the correct answer. ठीक है, तो D है इसका correct answer. The eligibility limit for NBFC for debt recovery under SARFAESI Act has been proposed to be reduced from 500 crores. See, the eligibility limit, please understand, limit for NBFC for debt recovery under SARFAESI. If some NBFC is going bankrupt, is unable to service its debts, तो SARFAESI Act लगाने के लिए for the implementation of SARFAESI Act for the debt recovery under SARFAESI Act from the NBFC, the limit used to be 500 crore, right? The limit of 500 crore of asset size, right? But now the limit is 100 crore. If an NBFC's asset size is 100 crore, अगर 100 crore है 100 crore, then if it is 100 crore, then it can be the eligibility limit for NBFC for debt recovery has been proposed to be reduced from 500 crore to asset size of 100 crore. Okay, or the loan size of 1 crore to 50 lakh loan size. Okay, so यही है मेन. तो अगर लोन साइज जो पहले था एक, see, two conditions have been changed. पहले ये था, if an NBFCs whose asset size is more than 500 crore and the loan value of more than 1 crore, then only their debt recovery could be done under SARFAESI Act. But now that limit has been changed. ये limit change कर दी गई है. Asset size अगर 100 crore है और loan की value 50 लाख है, तो SARFAESI Act के अंदर आप वो हो जाएगा NBFC का debt recovery. As per the new tax regime, there are 2 tax slabs now. Okay, the first one, जो old पहले से चलती आ रही है, the old slabs, but the new tax slabs has been implemented. The taxpayers, they can choose between any of those tax slabs. As per the new tax slab, what is the taxable income? what is that? What is the tax rate for the tax slab of rupees 5 lakh to 7.5 lakh? Please remember this table. ये table को याद कर लीजिए. Up to 2.5 lakh. ये part 2 है. Up to 2.5 lakh it is nil. 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh it is 5% of the total income. That is more than 2.5 lakh plus 4% सेस तो लगेगा ही. ठीक है. So 5%, 2.5 to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 7.5, 10%, 7.5 से 10 पे 15, then 20, then 25. So 10 to 12.5, 12.5 to 15, 15 above it is 30. So please remember this tax rate and cess is there. If you want to download this PPT as PDF, please follow me on Telegram. Link to my Telegram channel is available in the description. So from 5 to 7.5 it is mentioned it is 10%. So 10% is the correct answer. Do you know the correct answer? पता था क्या? I hope सबको पता था. बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र का एनालिसिस जरूर करेंगे. ठीक है, जरूर करेंगे. आई थिंक अभी तो मंडे को ही हो पाएगा. ठीक है. Let's move forward. Question number 5. The window for MSME's debt restructuring by RBI has been extended till. So MSME की debt restructuring, one-time debt restructuring for the MSMEs who are having GST now. You have done the GST registrations. So for them, the debt restructuring, the date has been extended. What is the new date? That is 31st of March 2021. So MSME debt restructuring 31st of March 2021. 31st of March 2021 ये नई डेट है. A is the correct answer. The government has proposed to remove which tax? Very important, very important. The government has proposed to remove minimum alternative, SINVAT, dividend distribution, fringe benefit tax, security transaction tax. Please let me know the correct answer. कौन सा tax जो है remove हुआ है? So the correct answer is security transaction tax has been removed, and now you, the investors who are getting the dividend, they need to pay tax on that dividend that you receive. So security, the government has proposed that is dividend distribution tax is paid by the companies on the dividend pays to its shareholders. So it is not security transaction tax, sorry, that is dividend distribution tax. So DDT, the dividend distribution tax that is paid by the companies, वो हटा दिया गया है. Now the people like you and me, who are the investors who get the dividend, so the money that we receive as a dividend before this amendment, that was tax free, because the companies, they were paying the dividend distribution tax. As a DDT has been removed, that money, that dividend money would be included in our taxable income. वो हमारी taxable income में जोड़ जाएगा. तो STT वो तो अभी भी है. ठीक है, सॉरी मैं कंफ्यूज कर गया STT और DDT को. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट सिक्योरिटी ट्रांजैक्शन टैक्स, इट इज डिविडेंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टैक्स. ओके. So the turnover threshold for audit increased to how much? Crore, from 1 crore for businesses carrying out less than 5% business transactions in cash for MSME sector. So for MSME sector, who are carrying whose cash transactions are less than 5%, who are carrying out cash transactions of less than 5%, right? उनका अगर ऑडिट करना है जीएसटी में, राइट, उनका अगर ऑडिट करना है, देयर इज अ लिमिट. द करेक्ट लिमिट इज दैट लिमिट हैज बीन इंक्रीज टू 1 crore to 5 crore. So if the turnover is 5 crore, limit for the business carrying out less than 5%, and if that cash transaction is less than 5% of the total business turnover, then the limit has been increased to 1 crore to 5 crore. तो ये याद रखें, बहुत important है. Name of the scheme proposed for reducing litigation in the direct taxes. For that scheme is named as Vivad Se Vishwas. Has been proposed for reducing litigation. Under the scheme, if the taxpayer will be required to pay only the amount of the disputed taxes, and there will be waiver of interest and the penalty. Okay, so penalty interest waive हो जाएगी विवाद से विश्वास स्कीम के अंडर. So what is the maximum amount that can be transferred through IMPS? Very easy question. You can find such questions in the exam. 2 lakh रुपये इसीलिए मैंने पहले से बोल्ड करके रखा, लेकिन पेपर में आ जाता है. Very important, SAF, ये याद करें, SAF. See, as please ask your questions, students. आप पूछ नहीं रहे. Please ask your questions in the super chat if there is any doubt in your mind. Okay. So please read the question. An urban cooperative An urban cooperative bank may be placed under statutory action framework. So it is statutory action framework. Just like PCF or commercial bank, there is statutory action framework. For the urban cooperative bank, there are two conditions. If the NPA exceeds 6% of its net advances and it incurs losses for 2 consecutive financial year or has accumulated losses on its balance sheet, तो ये दो condition है. अगर ये दो condition लग जाती हैं, then the UCB would be under the SAF, right? So RBI would be monitoring its asset quality. There will be a lot of restrictions as well. काफी सारी restrictions लग जाएंगी इसके ऊपर, like curtailing its lending powers, right? And a lot of safeguards. And further, RBI can cancel the banking license as well. Okay. So when an urban cooperative bank is under SAF, RBI may not remove the statutory auditor, but it can impose the restrictions on declaration of dividend, donations, curtailment of sanction of loans. नया लोन नहीं दे सकते, dividend नहीं दे सकते, reduction in exposure limit. आप अपने नए लोन मत दीजिए, नया लोन मत दीजिए, dividend मत दीजिए, renewal of नई credit और मत दीजिए, restriction on fresh loans and advances carrying risk weight of more than 100%. Please remember the risk weight. There are certain advances such as credit cards in which the risk weight is more than 100%. So wherever the risk weight is more than 100%, you cannot do that. That urban cooperative bank, they cannot do that. I'll provide the complete list. Please, it is available on bank exams today. Risk weight of assets. So that the asset quality would be improved. So removal of statutory auditor, that can't be done by the RBI. ये नहीं direct कर सकते. Money app provided by the RBI for aiding the visually impaired to identify the denomination of Indian banknote. To identify कर ले, to check the counterfeit notes as well. Which bank announced the residential builder finance with the buyer guarantee? You buy that flats from many builders, and it happens in the bigger cities, and those builders, they take the money but they do not provide you the flats for 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, and you end up paying the EMIs, right? And you end up incurring a lot of losses. ये होता है इंडिया में. But now the SBI, it is providing the guarantee for certain projects, right? So the SBI is providing that guarantee. तो ये याद रखें, very important. So obviously the guarantee will be available for the RERA registered projects. तो registered में है, and that limit is 2.5 crore तक के जो flats हैं वहाँ पे it is limited. Okay. The RBI has amended the KYC norms to introduce video-based digital technology to help banks and lending institutions to do their KYC. And that technology is VCIP. VCIP hai, please remember the full form, Video-Based Customer Identification Process. Video-Based Customer Identification Process, VCIP. So they can do the KYC using the mobile phones, right? Mobile pay, that's how they can onboard the remote customers. Remotely they can remotely they can do the KYC for the customers, right? The video for the KYC would be consent based, obviously. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you like the today's session. Follow me on bank exams today. So Indian Bank SO 2020 course, I'm already doing that. Use the coupon code GURU20 and you can get this complete course in which I'm providing video classes, notes, quizzes, test series, live sessions. All the links are available in the description. You are not late. I'm telling you, you are not late. Still you are having like a lot of time. See, it's just, I think, ये कितना है आज, date क्या 21 है, I think. Yep. क्या date यार आज? Yeah, it's 22. It's 22. The exam is on 8. So you have a lot of time. Around more than 15 days you are having, right? So that much time is sufficient to complete my course. And I can assure you that this course will improve your scores for sure, right? So I have done that in past and I'm going to do this in future as well, right? In past, IBPS RRB Scale 2, Scale 3, 2019. Scale 2, this is not clerical or PO level exam. Scale 2, Scale 3. And I got 34 selections in IBPS RRB Scale 2, Scale 3. All India rank 1 was from our batch, and then Bank of Baroda Wealth Management. All these students are from our batch, and IBPS SO Marketing, Vijaya Bank, Bank of India. Lot of exams I have done, and our team has already done that. And I recommend you to get our course. Don't miss any chance, right? Don't miss a chance. And I'm working on a revision capsule. I'll be sharing that capsule with you in the course, right? Please join my course, Guru 20. Links are available in the description, or you can directly go to bankexamstoday.com. and you can get my course. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. If there is any doubt in your mind, there is a comment section where you can always ask your doubts and I'll be there for you. And yes, in case you want to ask any doubt, 906720100, that is my WhatsApp number. And follow me on Telegram, Bank Exams Today. That is my Telegram channel name. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. Okay, bye. So download this PDF on Telegram. Okay, that's all. Thank you.